guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Globe Collaborative subscription. This is a monthly subscription, but you do have the option to skip if you like. Choose when you want your order to be shipped out. Sometimes I skip, sometimes I order. It depends on how much supplies I need. And I do have a referral link in the description bar if you want to try Globe Collaborative. They always are running special. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because I am going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, guys. And at the end of the video, I will tell you what you need to do to qualify to enter in my giveaway. So without further ado, let's jump on into the video. So you know, I always wait until I get on camera to open up my package with you guys. Right on top, they have a booklet or a pamphlet, and it just tells you different things about summertime and some of the products that are offered through Globe Collaborative that you can use that are essential to you during the summertime. So this would be a great read for you. And it's a lot of packaging. Okay. The first item I want to share with you guys is these Method All-Purpose Cleaning Wipes. I ordered these maybe a month or two ago, and guys, I'm really impressed with these wipes. I love the grapefruit smell of these wipes, and they clean up really good. If I want a quick wipe up anywhere in the house, these are perfect. I've used them mostly in my kitchen. I have even wiped down my kitchen doors, my appliances, countertops. So like I said, if you want something that's going to work really good and cut that dirt and that grease, this is the perfect item for that. Like I said, it's all purpose. You can use it throughout your home. It's non-toxic, plant-based. So yes, these wipes are great. If you have not ordered this item from Globe Collaborative, you have to give it a try, guys. Trust me, it works really good. Like I said, you can use it throughout your house, but I mainly use it in my kitchen. The next item is the baking soda cream cleanser, and I usually use this in my kitchen sink to clean my sink after I have washed my dishes. And then I also got some vinegar gel no rinse cleaner, and I use this in the kitchen also. So I use both of these. Both of them is in the lemon verbena fragrance. I really like that one. And the next item is some dish soap, and I got it in the peony scent, and I love that dish soap. This is one of my oldies but goodies. This is one of my favorite items. Every time I put in an order, I'm always getting their dish soap. It works really good. And they have so many great scents. And I'm gonna try to pronounce this, but if I don't get it quite right, guys, please excuse me. This is a Caldrina. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Linen room spray. I do have another room spray that I get, but it's not for linen. So when I saw this, I wanted to try this one because this one is made specifically for your linen and your room. This is the balsam birch scent. So I'm really anxious about trying this, and it says it's a limited edition. So if I like it, I probably have to order some additional ones. But yeah, this is my first time using this. And then the last item is some glass cleaner, the lemon verbena glass cleaner. And I do like that glass cleaner, even though I use another glass cleaner. But if I want something to add a scent into the area that I'm cleaning, I'll use this glass cleaner. So guys, that is it for my order for July. So now let's get to the giveaway. My giveaway is just a simple little giveaway. I am going to be giving away this cleaning set right here, the scent, one of my favorite scents, the lemon but so I'm going to be giving away this set right here. It is the lemon verbena scent. It is one of my favorite scents. All you have to do to qualify to be in this giveaway is to, number one, be subscribed to my channel. Number two, go over to my Instagram page and I'll list my Instagram name somewhere on the screen. And also, you know, subscribe there to my Instagram page. And you have to comment down below, comment anything about cleaning, maybe a helpful hint, your favorite scent from Glow Collaborative, something you always want to try at Glow Collaborative, any recommendation for, you know, any other people or any recommendations for me. Just comment, make any type of comment down below, and that will enter you into the giveaway. Very simple. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you participate in this giveaway, and I will see you on our next video. As always, please stay blessed. Bye guys.